avoid smashing this thing and breaking this little connector there. Notice how I switch my hands to do that. You can do it your own way, but this is what works for me. Let me just do it one more time for you guys. Another way that you could do it is hold the camera like this. And let's say you're better with your left hand. You could just do that and that, and that'll take it out, no problem. It does kind of feel like this may have been made for left-handed people more than right-handed people, or ambidextrous. I don't know. Let me see. Maybe you could do it this way too. Let's see. Right-handed. Slide out. No, it's fine. It's just you rotate the camera in a different direction if you wanted to do it as right-handed as opposed to left-handed.
Likey